Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing, corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Today we are at the Wilbourn Sisters Design and Boutique. This store is one of a kind. Everything here you will see nowhere else. And all of this is unique and fashionable clothing that fits on anyone.
Right now we're about to try on one of these fabulous...
Stop by and purchase something. Because this store, you may even need to buy two things. Because Dr. Ross and I, we're going to be buying a few things from here. And as you can see, Dr. Ross has the flair, the style. And this will look good on you too.
Dr. Ross, I know that's right. But let me just show you this. You see how big and loose this is? We designed them so that they will fit all size women. So you take this piece, wrap it around your little petite body if you got it. Like that. We're gonna make this piece fit her really, really cute. See, just by wrapping it, it gives you that little fit that you want. So once you put it on, you want to take it and straighten it up.
And here's another piece right here.
Oh wow.
Top. Beautiful, beautiful.
All of this clothing can fit multiple sizes and also be cute. It could be changed to whatever you want it to be.
Exactly, very versatile. That's the best thing that we like about this place. And they have another one in Atlanta that you saw on our Instagram with Miss Janice, and now we're in the one in LA.
Two of 7 sewing sisters, the Wilbourn sisters, originally from Jackson, Tennessee. Our mother had 7 daughters, and we, fortunately, I am the 7th one, which is spiritual completion, and Janice is the 7th daughter. So that's why we are partners, and and we work together, and we've been in business together for about 42 years.
Amazing.
So yeah, so that's why my mother's, one of her favorite sayings was the quality goes in before the name goes on. So you will want a Wilbourn Sisters design because it will take you everywhere. And one of the things I must tell you, you have to keep up with it because somebody will take it.
Exactly.
Yes.
If you guys haven't been here, stop by.
Exactly.
Dr. Ross and I will both leave a link in the description below to how to find the place and where it is located.
Exactly, and also a link to their Instagram of both locations because this place is a must-see. Just like you said, you got to get it before it gets out.
All of these clothing pieces are one of a kind. You'll see them
kind.
nowhere else.
That's right.
Designs to soothe the soul. Designed with you in mind. Yep, and then if you'll notice the doll collection, one of the things that I grew into is becoming a doll artist. First I was a collector, and then the creativity was just so deep and strong and so fabulous. I'm thinking, oh my God. See, like what I've decided doing lately is making belts. Look at this belt.
Oh, wow.
Now this is a belt. And I made it for a person a little bit bigger than me, but it goes like this. They can wear it low. And what I was thinking about doing, which I did to one belt, I put a telephone. I made this first last night, and I put a little holder for your phone. Put on a little cell phone.
Fabulous.
Yes,
Fabulous.
You know, because women going places, and they don't necessarily want to go into their purse. They just want to have it, yeah, and keep up with it. Because I used to leave mine laying places, but now there's a remedy, a method to this madness.
You have the convenience and the style.
Yeah.
Right here, so you can see everything. All of it.
Mm-hmm. So I just took old blue jeans,
Very
cut
creative.
them up, and just turn them into something funky. So, as I said, you better keep up with it.
That's the thing we love about this store. Creativity in every single part of it. Everything, you can make it into like 10 different outfits with just one piece of clothing. And like she just showed you, beautiful, just old jeans turn into a fantastic bag.
Yeah, and they're timeless, and they'll take you forever and ever. And even at the beginning of COVID, I was making purses like this. Like when you run into the marketplace and you want to just grab a few things and go. This is a cross-body bag. Like that. See? You just put your stuff down in there. You can put your cell phone,
Gorgeous.
you know, on the outside, and just wear it like that. See, and the fabric this is a stretch fabric.
Oh, wow.
As you
Beautiful.
see right
Just
there.
completely beautiful.
You like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Everything here is just amazing.
Well,
Very,
thank
very
you, sweetie.
Even the top I'm
Spectacular
wearing right
clothing.
now, the fabric is super, super soft.
Yeah.
And it's so comfortable to wear.
So you want soft fabric. Life is hard enough. So you want something that's comforting, you know, and elegant and feminine and rugged and versatile and just can do all those things that you want it to do.
Yes.
And even
If this kind of place, it works for if you want weddings, if you just want to go out on the street with casual wear, and they do everything. They make the clothes for every type of occasion and every type of event.
oh yeah, people call all the time asking for, do you have so and so? I'm telling them, well, come over and let's talk about it. And if you want it, then I can make it custom. You know,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
it shocks them really, because we make it while they wait.
And the earrings that you're wearing too are amazing.
Oh, now you would love the earrings. Let me show you.
Yes, ma'am.
You
That's
know.
why we're here, the Rose and Gold team, the Rasta family, to promote your products and your.
And put some people to work. Put our people to work. Oh, I
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to take you all to the Merck Park. How long y'all gonna be here?
We're gonna be here for about a week, and then we're gonna be heading back. But we might stay
Sunday.
long.
Well, Sunday is the day to go to, and they have live reggae concerts all day and food, wonderful, fresh vegan food and dancing, drumming, and people selling all of their stuff. And that's
For
different.
everyone, there is custom clothing here. If you're looking for clothing for your wedding, for a special event, like this unique piece right here.
Oh,
you
yeah.
have the head, the cap, and then you have the beautiful and deluxe dress.
Exactly. We love supporting businesses like this, and this is like family to us. This is
Oh,
the
my
family
baby
at the
family.
Wilbourn Sisters in Design.
Beautiful. So where are you all coming from?
We're around the world. We're really international. That's what I meant to say. We're international. We're everywhere.
But I've lived in Paris and Germany, and Jamaica is my home. I just got to get back there.
You have to keep it open.
Lastly, to finally close it off, we want to say that the locations are everywhere. The ones that we recently went to on our Instagram is the one right here in LA, and the other one with Miss Janice in
And
Atlanta.
Be sure to visit the Wilbourn Sisters Design and Boutique.
Go to their website and buy yourself something. Come down to the locations and get you some of this good clothing. They have everything. They have earrings, they have pants, shirts, masks, everything that you can think of.
New collection of masks that I just got in. I do have a seamstress here out in LA, and if you're into the designer masks, then that's what these are. The Louis and the Gucci's and stuff. A friend of mine actually bought this fabric when we lived in Paris, so I'm making them out of that. But then we've got the wonderful Afrocentric mask, the Greek mask, you know. And then since what we're doing is circulating our dollars in our community.
That's
Y'all
always
make
fantastic.
sure you got to make sure you do that.
The
No
clothing-
other nationality is actually throwing money into our community. They're taking it
ma'am.
out.
Giving back
So
to the
you
community.
value yourself. That's the only way we're gonna stay independent or get independent. You know,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
we are the creators of most of this stuff and never get any credit. I'm not looking for validation from anybody. I'm here just to do what God has for me to do, and that is to help wake up his people. So you all wake up and be creative, honor those unique gifts and talents that God has given each of us.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
look, it's this piece I do from Marley.
Powerful.
Beautiful.
And so, and this is fierce.
Yes,
You know,
yes, it
I
is.
wore this during Black Panther. I wore
Very
this during
powerful.
Black Panther, and this got leather, you know, and it's like hammered leather, and then I just put it on with this because that's just how we roll. You know, we're in it to win.
And
Amazing.
we want to add one more thing. For
This clothes is sexy, it's vibrant, it's fierce, it's funky, it's everything you could want. We're actually, we're gonna buy something right now. We're gonna come and contribute because, like you said, giving back to the community. Giving
And
back.
if you guys haven't watched it yet, or if you have, This is like the Coming to America clothing.
Yes.
The Kingsley clothing.
Yes.
If you're looking for that, the clothing is all here.
Yes. That's why we put the crowns with everything that we make. See, just
Royalty.
like, yes, the royalty, it comes out. It's just in us.
Exactly.
You know, and I am every nationality.
Yes, ma'am.
Period.
That's what we like. International things.
Yes.
Brings everyone together.
If you were to trace all of our roots, even Caucasians come from our.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a
So, you
king
know.
and a queen in everyone.
Exactly.
Yeah, so honor it. Walk in knowing. Know who you are. You're made in His image and His likeness. And there, you are a unique, unrepeatable miracle. Just know that.
Yes,
You know.
ma'am.
Powerful words. And for everyone, remember, shop at the Wilbourn Sisters Design and Boutique in Atlanta and LA. We'll
Yeah.
put the links in the description below and the name right here.
Our Jamaican shampoo, which is what gives it that lock life. It's been throughout all of our family members, generations and generations down. We've been using it since we were babies.
And my sister and I, we have it available on our site, roseandgold.us.